Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do an MDAS table and a weekly budget chart here in MS Excel. To start off the MDAS table, go to cell A2, type 1, press enter, and type 2. Go to cell B1, type 1, and on cell C1, type 2. Highlight the two cells and drag the fill handle horizontally until you reach number 50 or any number you like. Let's do the same thing here, but vertically, until we reach number 51, or row 51, since we skipped the first cell. Now the formula for multiplication is equal sign, dollar sign, capital A, 2, asterisk for the multiplication operation, capital B, dollar sign, and 1. Press enter and you'll have this. Now drag the fill handle and there you go. You have completed your multiplication table. To rename the sheet tab, double-click this sheet tab and type your sheet name. To customize it or give color, right-click and choose tab color. For multiplication, I'm going to use orange. Now let's repeat the same step on other operations. Again, number 1, 2, 1, and 2. Highlight, drag, highlight, and drag. There. Then the formula is equal sign, dollar sign, capital A, 2, slash for the division operation, capital B, dollar sign, and 1. Drag the fill handle until you cover the space. There you have it. Then rename the sheet tab if necessary. And change the color if you like. There. Now for the addition operation. Again, repeat the steps. Same steps but different formula. Highlight, drag. Highlight, and drag. Then let's apply the formula, which is equal sign, dollar sign, capital A, 2. Since this is addition, we would use plus sign, capital B, dollar sign, and 1. Drag the fill handle and rename the sheet tab if you like, or if it's needed. Now use this button to add more sheets on your book or workbook. Again, for the last operation, which is subtraction, repeat the same steps, which is to type 1 on cell A2 and 2 on cell A3, type 1 on cell B1, type 2 on cell C1. Highlight the two cells, drag it horizontally and vertically, and apply the formula, which is for the last time, equal sign, dollar sign, capital A, 2 minus or subtraction sign, B, dollar sign, 1. Then drag it until you reach the space to be covered. So there is it. Again, to rename, double tap the sheet tab, type your desired sheet name to be renamed, and change the tab color if you would like. Just right click and choose the color. So that's it for the MDAS table. Now going through the budget or the weekly budget chart. So let's start off with typing the days of the week from Monday to Sunday. There. As you can see, Wednesday is um is kind of as you can see Wednesday is kind of overlapping the column B. So to adjust that, we must go here and find the double-sided arrow. There. And adjust the width of the columns. So there. Now let's type here some examples of everyday expenses. Transpo for transportation, lunch, and savings. Here let's have 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and 85. For transpo, it's all 30, then here on lunch, I think let's try to put 30, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, and 105. In savings, let's put 50. There. Now to set this or transfer this in a chart, highlight all the data and go to Insert tab, find Charts, and press this button here, which is Create Chart. So you can choose various types of charts, from which I'll use this. Press OK. Then you'll have this chart, which is equal to what we made earlier. So for example, if the lunch is, or the transpo has increased, let's say by 50, notice that the transportation here in Sunday will increase. There. Or maybe let's say 105. The lunch of Sunday will be decreasing to by 80. Then it will decrease. There. And change the tab color into black. Now that's all. Hope you enjoy and learned something from this video. Bye!